If your Telegram video is not playing, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step, quickly and safely. This is a common issue on Telegram web and in the desktop browser version, and the good news is that most of the time it can be solved in just a few minutes. So if you want the video to load properly, start playing again, and avoid wasting time guessing what's wrong, follow along with me. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons a Telegram video will not play. If you're on Wi-Fi, make sure the connection is strong and stable. Try opening another website or streaming a short video to see whether your internet is working properly. If the Wi-Fi seems slow or disconnected, switch to mobile data if you're on a phone, or reconnect to a different network if you're on a computer. Sometimes Telegram itself is fine, but the connection is not strong enough to load the video preview or stream the file correctly. So, this first step is very important. Next, refresh Telegram web and reopen the chat containing the video. Sometimes the page simply fails to load the media properly, especially if Telegram web has been open for a long time. A quick refresh can clear temporary loading issues and force the video to reload. After refreshing, go back into the same chat and click the video again. If it still does not play, close the chat completely and open it again. This may seem simple, but a lot of playback problems are caused by a temporary browser or session glitch. Now, before you press play, wait for the video to finish loading. In many cases, the video looks ready, but it has not fully buffered yet. If you click too early, it may freeze, show a black screen, or refuse to start. Give Telegram a little time to load the full video, especially if the file is large or your connection is slow. You may notice the loading indicator moving, or the progress bar not being complete yet. Once it finishes loading, try playing it again. This small pause can make a big difference. If the video still will not play, the next step is to clear your browser's cache and cookies, then sign back into Telegram web. Old cached files and corrupted cookies can interfere with media playback and cause Telegram videos to stop working correctly. To do this, open your browser settings, find the Privacy or Browsing Data section, and clear cached images, files, and cookies. After that, close the browser completely and reopen it. Then go back to Telegram web and sign in again. This gives you a fresh session and often fixes playback issues that simple refreshing cannot solve. If you use Telegram web often, this is one of the most effective fixes to try. Another thing you should try is using a different supported browser. Sometimes the issue is not Telegram itself, but the browser version, extensions, or compatibility settings. If you're using Chrome, try Edge, Firefox, or another supported browser. If the video plays in one browser, but not another, then you know the problem is likely browser-related. In that case, updating your browser, disabling certain extensions, or restarting it may help. This step is especially useful if Telegram videos are not playing consistently across multiple chats. If the video still won't play after all of that, the final workaround is to download it and open it with your computer's default media player. This is a great fallback option when Telegram web is having trouble streaming the file directly. Download the video to your device, then locate it in your Downloads folder and open it using the media player installed on your computer. In many cases, the video file itself is perfectly fine, and the issue only exists inside the browser player. This lets you watch the content without waiting for Telegram web to cooperate. So to quickly recap, if Telegram video is not playing, first check your internet connection and switch networks if needed. Then refresh Telegram web and reopen the chat. Make sure the video finishes loading before you try to play it. If that doesn't work, clear your browser cache and cookies and sign in again. After that, try a different supported browser, and if none of those fixes solve it, download the video and open it in your default media player. I hope this guide helped you fix the problem fast. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and let me know in the comments which step worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.